I believe the Anafi thermal drone is a fantastic drone for several reasons. The first reason is that the overall size and compactness of the platform. It's so mobile. Another thing that I really like about the Anafi Thermal is that it's so simple to use. A big part of our business model is that we train our clients to fly drones and collect their own data. So the ability to train them quickly, have them set it up quickly and use it easily is very important to us. The camera is very compact as well, and the fact that you combine the RGB sensor with a thermal sensor all on the same payload is a huge plus. I can now do inspections of a roof, for example, or electrical equipment, or other machinery and equipment with combined thermal and RGB imagery together and be able to have a realistic view of the thermal image.